Roxy, what are you doing? She just stepped on a box and flipped it on top of herself. There she is. Come here, Roxy. Look what I got for you. It's a Santa rubber chicken that Michelle sent us. And she knew the ferrets would like it, and she's right. Can you pick it up? Come on, you did a minute ago. Come on. Come on. Oh, you want one of these instead? Okay, there it goes. Oops. Uh-oh, there's kitties in the way. Gotta get through. Uh-oh, Percy's chasing you. Oh, she got it stuck, but she did it. Good girl, Rox. Come on, Rox. She's like, this damn cat's tailing me. Roxy, where are you? Rox! Where'd you go? Oh, there she is. She's coming back out again. Come here. Get the chicken now. Got it. She's so cute. She's like, got a bite on it. Oh, it's under the nightstand. Good job. You got one more. Roxy! Come here, Rox. Roxy! Oh, there's your brother, Percy. I bet he'll chase you again. Look at that one. That one's kind of hard to pick up, but I think you can do it. Oh, there it goes. There goes Percy chasing you again. Wow, she hit everything.